Hello, these short videos were created to introduce Columbus functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the process industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of processors and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet processors' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights Columbus's quality control and process data collection. Data collection elements play a dual role used in quality control and data collection. Data collection elements are user-defined. As many as needed can be set up. Data collection elements represent various properties that need to be reported in QC and/or data collection. They are assigned a type, which will instruct the system as to the input that will be recorded for that element. Types like boolean, yes or no, date, lookup, numeric, and text. A lookup allows for a user-defined list of available options. During input, the user will select from this list. The actual target value is completed at the master record level setup. We'll see this first in quality control and then again in data collection. Columbus's quality control and data collection are seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Columbus has created the Quality Control Role Center specifically for these modules. Data control elements are assigned to the master records items. These will be used to define the item lot quality control tests. Based on the data collection element type for each test, the target values are also populated. The system uses these target values to compare against the actual test results entered. This is the basis for the pass-fail. Must pass indicates that a quality control test must pass in order for that lot to successfully pass quality control testing. Open quality control activities have a status of pending, waiting for actual quality control test results to be entered and the eventual status of the QC test changed to pass or fail. Here, quality control technicians can be assigned, as well as scheduled dates to indicate when the results are due to be entered. The General Fast tab maintains key information about the item lot quality control activity. Recording the actual test results occurs on the Quality Control Results Fast tab. As results are entered, the test date and time and by is recorded. Values entered outside the previously established target parameters will result in that item's lot's QC test status being set to fail, and possibly the entire QC activity failing. Once the results have been entered, the user can indicate completion. Based on the results entered, the system makes a determination if the status should be pass or failed. The user can override this determination. The caveat is that none of the failed QC tests was set to must pass. Based on system setup, the lot status field may default to a code, limiting the available transactions possible for that item's lot. Process data collection allows the processor to gather information on a number of different processes that do not directly deal with the receipt or creation of items. Master records and events are linked together through the assignment of data collection elements. For example, in-process testing is performed on products or equipment during the manufacturing process to ensure it's being manufactured to specifications. Another example could be taking temperature of key area based on a frequency. Other examples capturing key vendor metrics upon receipt or assuring customer quality based on shipments. This is a data collection sheet based on the event of production and the master records of items and resources or equipment. Recording the bacteria requirement for the item and the visual inspection for the resource has been completed. The temperature for the resource has multiple results recorded over a period of time. At the next temperature reading, we'll enter a result outside the acceptable target. This will trigger an alert to all members of an alert group. We'll see this alert back on the Role Center shortly. For the data collection sheet, the status can be changed to complete, which finishes the business process. Here we see that alert, which requires some type of action. An alert can both notify key personnel of a result and require users to address the alert. One last point, a data collection element can be set with a frequency to recur hourly, for example. If missed, another alert type can be generated, notifying a different group that the hourly result was not recorded. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.